Okay, check this out. We finally got a good, clear picture of a bobcat on one of our trail cams. Not only do we have a good picture of a bobcat, but right after it leaves camera, you can hear it vocalize twice. Some people call this a screech. It's just one of the weird noises that bobcats make. So, have you ever seen a bobcat in real life before? At the zoo or maybe in the woods? And more importantly, if you've been in the woods, have you ever heard this sound before and thought it was a bird? Well, it ain't. So leave your comments in the comment section. Hey, as always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.